Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Sit upright with clear light and a mirror, and gather tweezers, lash glue, remover, spoolie, and cotton swabs. First, gently brush lashes with a spoolie to see gaps. Once visible, use curved tweezers to isolate the lifted extension at the base. Make sure to grip the extension only, not natural lash. Apply a drop of adhesive to a sanitized surface, pick up a tiny bead on the tweezer tip, and position it where the bond has failed. Hold for 8–10 seconds to set. Once initial bond is secure, continue line by line to rebond adjacent loose extensions. You must use minimal adhesive. A pea or rice-sized amount on your palette is enough. Pick a tiny bead. Align each extension parallel to the natural lash, angle it so it follows the lash fan, and press gently at the base for 8–12 seconds. Make sure to remove any spillover glue with a tiny amount of remover on a cotton swab. This prevents clumping and keeps lashes separated and natural looking. Finish by combing the set with a clean spoolie to check separation and symmetry. Trim only stray fused fibers with small scissors if needed. Make sure to advise the client or yourself to avoid water or steam for 24 hours and skip oil-based cleansers which weaken bonds. If you see redness, burning, or persistent glue crusting, stop immediately. Use a certified lash remover to dissolve adhesive and gently remove extensions. If irritation continues, seek professional help. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.